The next thing we're going to do is create a sample to mix with our music. So I've created this sample here, drum bass hard and a percussive snap rotating back and forth. Here's what it sounds like. Okay, and we can repeat that, and that's exactly what we're going to do. But you can choose any of these sounds that you want. You don't have to use my sample, but I'm just going to show you the process. Okay, so what we're going to do now is define this. So we're going to define it. And I'm going to call this Star Wars sample. And then do. And then we've got to wrap that with our end command. And now we're going to run it. And that'll create this function called Star Wars sample that we can mix with Star Wars.